Have you heard of Bitcoin? It's been making waves in the financial world. It's a new type of money, unlike anything we've seen before. It only exists in the digital world with no physical form. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are changing how we think about money and transactions. There are other cryptocurrencies too, each with unique features and uses. Ethereum is another big one, known for its smart contracts. It's like a giant computer network for agreements. Ever heard of Dogecoin? It's quite popular. It started as a joke but quickly gained a serious following. Now, it's a serious cryptocurrency. Then there are NFTs. These are digital collectibles that are unique. You can own digital art or even virtual land. Imagine owning a piece of the internet. These are all part of a revolution in how we use and think about money, making it more accessible and versatile. It can be a lot to take in. Don't worry though, we're going to break it all down into simple, understandable parts. We'll start from the very beginning, tracing the origins of money. We'll explore how money has evolved over time, from barter systems to digital currencies. Then, we'll dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, uncovering their potential and impact.
Imagine a time before money. How did people trade? How did they get what they needed without the convenience of currency? They used a system called bartering, a method as old as civilization itself. You traded something you had for something you needed. It was a direct exchange of goods and services. Let's say you had extra grain, more than your family could consume. You could trade it for a new pair of shoes, or perhaps some fresh vegetables. This system worked, but it wasn't perfect. It had its own set of challenges and limitations. What if the shoemaker didn't need grain? What if they needed something else entirely? That's where money came in, revolutionizing trade and commerce. People started using precious metals like gold and silver as money. These metals had intrinsic value. Gold and silver were valuable and easy to trade. They became a universal medium of exchange. Later, we invented coins and paper money, making transactions even more convenient. These were easier to carry around and use in everyday transactions. They represented a certain amount of gold or silver, ensuring trust and value. Today, we use digital transactions all the time, making payments faster and more efficient. We pay for things with credit cards and phones, embracing the convenience of technology. Cryptocurrencies are the next step in this evolution, offering a new form of digital money. They are digital money for a digital age, transforming the way we think about currency.
Cryptocurrencies are virtual. They don't exist in the physical world. They live on a network of computers. This network is called a blockchain. Think of it like a giant digital ledger. It keeps track of every crypto transaction. This ledger is decentralized. It's not controlled by any single person, bank, or government. This makes cryptocurrencies unique. They offer a new way to think about money and value. But how does it all work? Let's delve into the technology behind cryptocurrencies. We'll explore how they are created and how transactions are secured. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the blockchain.
The blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies. It's a revolutionary technology. It ensures that all transactions are secure and transparent. Imagine a digital record of every transaction ever made. That's the blockchain. Every time someone sends cryptocurrency, it's recorded on the blockchain. This creates a permanent and unchangeable record. It's like a digital notary that verifies and secures every single transaction. This decentralized system has many advantages. First, it's incredibly secure. The blockchain is nearly impossible to hack. Second, it's transparent. Anyone can view the transaction history on the blockchain. This builds trust and accountability. The blockchain is changing the world of finance as we know it. Section 5. Mining for digital gold. How new cryptocurrency is created. You might be wondering, where do cryptocurrencies come from? This is where mining comes in. Mining is how new cryptocurrency is created. It's a complex process, but we can simplify it. Think of miners as digital accountants. They use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they solve a problem, they get rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process also verifies and adds new transactions to the blockchain. Mining serves several purposes. It creates new cryptocurrency. It also secures the network. and it ensures that transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. It's a vital part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem.
Section 6. Investing in crypto, a roller coaster ride to potential profits. Cryptocurrencies have become a popular investment, but be warned, it's a volatile market. Prices can go up and down very quickly. If you're thinking about investing, do your research. Understand the risks involved. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different cryptocurrencies. Start small and gradually increase your investment. Remember, it's a long-term game. Cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new asset class. The market is constantly evolving. It's important to stay informed and adapt your investment strategy accordingly. Always remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Section 7. The challenges of a decentralized world. While cryptocurrencies offer exciting possibilities, they also face challenges. One challenge is limited acceptance. Not all businesses accept cryptocurrency as payment. This is changing, but slowly. Another challenge is environmental concerns. Mining cryptocurrency can use a lot of energy. There are also misconceptions about crime. Some people believe that cryptocurrencies are only used for illegal activities. This is simply not true. Cryptocurrencies are just a tool. Like any tool, they can be used for good or bad. Despite these challenges, the cryptocurrency industry is working hard to address them. New technologies are being developed to reduce the environmental impact of mining, and efforts are underway to increase mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies.
Section 8. Beyond Currency. NFTs and the Digital Ownership Revolution. NFTs are changing how we think about ownership. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. It's a digital asset that represents ownership of a unique item. This could be anything: digital art, music, videos, even tweets. NFTs are stored on the blockchain, just like cryptocurrencies. This ensures that they are secure and tamper-proof. Owning an NFT is like owning a piece of digital history. NFTs are opening up new possibilities for creators and collectors. Artists can sell their work directly to collectors without the need for intermediaries. Collectors can own a piece of digital history. The world of NFTs is just getting started.
Section 9. The Future of Finance. A look into the crystal ball. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are still in their early stages, but they are rapidly evolving. It's hard to predict the future with absolute certainty, but one thing is for sure: they're here to stay and will continue to grow. They have the potential to revolutionize finance and many other industries, from healthcare to supply chain management. As we become more reliant on technology, digital currencies will likely play an even bigger role in our daily lives, influencing how we transact and interact. From payments to investments to digital ownership, cryptocurrencies and blockchain are changing the world as we know it, creating new opportunities and challenges. The future of finance is digital, decentralized and secure, promising greater transparency and efficiency. And it's all thanks to the revolutionary power of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, which are reshaping the financial landscape. It's an exciting time to be a part of this technological revolution as we witness the dawn of a new era in finance and beyond.